Hey everyone! Your website gets traffic, but how many visitors leave without a trace? Without knowing who's interested, you're missing out on valuable leads. That's where LeadRebel comes in. This powerful tool helps you identify website visitors, track their activity, and turn anonymous traffic into sales opportunities. Today, we're diving deep into the LeadRebel Lifetime Deal, a game changer for businesses, marketers, and agencies. If you want to stop losing potential leads, maximize your outreach, and automate lead tracking, this deal is for you. Let's explore how LeadRebel works and why you should grab this lifetime offer today. What is LeadRebel? LeadRebel is a lead generation tool that helps businesses identify website visitors and convert them into leads. Many potential customers visit websites without taking action, making it difficult to follow up. LeadRebel reveals company details, key decision makers, and visitor behavior, giving businesses the data needed to reach out effectively. It tracks time spent, pages viewed, and engagement levels, allowing users to automate lead tracking and integrate seamlessly with CRMs like HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Salesforce. With AI-powered insights and GDPR-compliant data collection, LeadRebel turns anonymous website traffic into real business opportunities without extra effort. Last chance for unbeatable lifetime prices on AppSumo. Regular pricing for LeadRebel is way over $800, but thanks to AppSumo, you can grab it for just $59, and that's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Now, let's break down the pricing plan so you can see exactly what you're getting. Plan 1, $59, normally $828. Offering 50 leads per month, 1 domain and 1 user, AI bot for lead identification, data export and integrations, detailed visitor company insights, data saved for 6 months, daily/weekly reports. Plan 2, $139, normally $1,656. Offering 200 leads per month, 5 domains and 5 users, all Plan 1 features plus video recording of visitor sessions. Plan 3, $239, normally $2,484. Offering 500 leads per month, 10 domains and 20 users, all Plan 2 features plus more scalability for agencies and larger teams. Limited time special pricing starting at just $59. Price increases soon, so don't wait. And remember, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free for 2 whole months. For most important features that make LeadRebel special. Visitor identification. Identify companies visiting your site and find the key decision makers instantly. Deep company insights. Get detailed info on the industry, company size, and contact details. Automated lead tracking. Let LeadRebel do the heavy lifting by automatically collecting visitor data and sending it straight to your CRM. Seamless integrations. Connect with your favorite tools like Google Sheets, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, and more. People who can benefit from LeadRebel. Marketer. Marketing agencies. SaaS companies. B2B sales teams. Business owners. Lead generation experts. Affiliate marketers. Do you fit the bill? Or know someone who does? Then don't wait. Get a 10% extra discount with AppSumo offers. Want an extra 10% discount? Here's how. Visit the LeadRebel Lifetime Deal page on AppSumo. Look for a pop-up offering a 10% discount. Enter your email and claim your extra savings. That's right, 10% off on top of this insane deal. So why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. This deal won't last forever. Secure your LeadRebel Lifetime Deal before it's too late. So, are you ready to capture more leads and boost your sales? Then click the link in the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. Got value from this? Give it a like, tell a friend, and join our subscriber family for more exciting reviews.